Hi, this is Anne Hince. I have talked about EFT multiple times. It is what I used to start my journey. I'm going to show you how to use EFT. Note that this is my way of using EFT. It's the way I have determined works best, based on my ability to sense inside the body. It is not necessarily the original way or the official way. The first thing we do is determine what we want to work on. Is it something someone said or did? Is it a memory? Is it a pain or dis-ease? Is it a belief? Once we have determined what we want to work on, we can also look to see what the emotion is that we feel around it, because we'll want to tap on that too. We start by tapping on what we call the karate chop point on the side of the hand, as we say what it is that is concerning us. I'm going to use the example of my dad shouting at me. Even though my dad shouted at me, and that was scary, that's my truth in this moment, and it's okay that I feel this way. For a pain, it would be, even though I feel this pain, whatever it is, you want to be as specific as possible, even though I feel this pain right there, this is my truth in the moment, and it's okay that I'm feeling this pain. For a belief, it would be, even though I believe this, whatever this is, that's my truth in this moment, and it's okay that I think that. Note that we are not saying that these things that happened are okay, but that the way we feel about them is okay. We are accepting our feelings, whatever they are. We are not going to act on them, but accept that they are what they are. And then the tapping allows them to move through our bodies and be gone. As we say the phrase 3 times, we tap on the karate chop point of the side of the hand. We tap firmly, but not hard enough to hurt ourselves. We are aiming for an energetic interrupt in the connective tissue of the body. Even though my dad shouted at me and that was scary, this is my truth in this moment, and it's okay I feel this way. Even though my dad shouted at me and that was scary, this is my truth in this moment, and it's okay that I feel this way. Then we move on to the other points and shorten what we say. We're using the words to keep the emotions active in our body. The first point is the top of the head, the crown point where your cowlick is. Dad shouted at me and it was scary, and it's okay that I feel scared. The next point, the beginning of the eyebrows, the bone there. Dad shouted at me. Next point is the bone on the edge of the eye. Dad shouted at me and it was scary. Next point is the bone underneath the eye. Dad shouted at me. Then, under the nose, Dad shouted at me and it was scary. Then the chin, the dimple. Dad shouted at me and it was scary, and it's okay that I feel scared. Next is the collarbone point. The collarbone comes across and down, and then there's dimples just below the collarbone. Dad shouted at me and it was scary, and it's okay that I feel scared. And then the last point is under the armpit, 4 inches underneath the armpit where your bra strap goes across if you have one. Dad shouted at me and it was scary. And then you take a deep breath. And that is 1 round of EFT. We can tap on one side of the body or both sides of the body. It does not matter. I use 2 sides when I can and 1 side when I can't. We keep tapping, going around through these points, except the hand one, which we used just at the beginning. We tap around these points, repeating the words until we are able to say the phrase with no emotions arising. At that point, we might come up with some more details. We might come up with another emotion, or another memory may arise, and then we can tap on that. Perhaps it could be, even though I was afraid he was going to hit me when he shouted at me, that is my truth in this moment, and it's okay that I feel that way. How do we know that it is working? That is one of the great things about EFT. You can tell when it's working. Several things can happen. We might cry. We might yawn. We might burp. We might sigh. We might get very tired. We might come up with additional detail that we had forgotten. And we will find it easier to say the words without the emotions and the facial expressions. That's it. It seems simple, but it's very powerful. It is opening up the subconscious mind, accepting at every level exactly what we are feeling. If we cannot accept the feeling, then we accept that we cannot accept it. As in, it's okay that I'm not okay about feeling afraid. There are many practitioners out there who are willing and able to help you if you want help and don't feel you can do it yourself. The biggest concern most people have is that they don't know what to say. They don't know what words to use. If that is your concern, imagine that you were talking to your best friend, telling them exactly what happened and how you feel about it, and then adding in, it's okay that I feel this way. Then tell them again and again until the emotion has subsided. I share my full story in my book called The Pathway to Insight. The link is in the description. Please hit subscribe if you'd like to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you for your time.